Hey guys, it's me again, Tyler Russ. And this time I'm going to show you guys how to connect a secondary and even a third phone when you already have a primary phone hooked up to your Bluetooth connections. So the first thing that you're going to do is on your home screen, you're either going to want to find settings or you can just hit setup right here. Once you hit that button, you'll see a little square there that says device connections. We're going to hit that. And then as you can see, we already have one phone connected. So we're just going to hit the button that says add new. Now, once you hit that button, you're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, scan for another device, whether it's an iPhone or so on and so forth, find the vehicle name, and then you're going to hit that. Now, once that's all connected there, you're going to have the option to use the first and second phone as primary and secondary sources for media, navigation, or even Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And it's that simple. Now, once you're in this screen, you can also decide who's the primary just by clicking and dragging or deciding that this person's going to be using navigation through Apple Maps while this phone's going to be using collected calls and so on and so forth. So it's that simple. It's that easy. And once again, if you guys have any questions, feel free, call in, ask for me. I'll walk you through it.